Hello everyone, welcome to Chem 101, Chemistry 1, General Chemistry 1. My name is Pierre Gouet. I'll be your lecturer for this term. We are going to spend 5 weeks together to cover the fundamental concept of inorganic chemistry. In this course, we are going to cover atomic theory, bonding, nomenclature, how to name substances, stoichiometry, how to decide the amount of product that is made from a chemical reaction, molecular structure, reactivity. Going to talk about orbitals and electron configuration and the like. Okay. So my short bio is here. I've been teaching this at Unity University for 2 years now. The course has 5 modules. Course overview is here. We're going to go into that. We have pre-course safety module that you have to read and satisfy. Then we have module 1, module 2 on structure and periodicity, chemical reaction types, chemical reaction and energetics and kinetics, and then molarity and stoichiometry. So let's go back here. Let's look at course overview. The course overview, then the first thing you're going to do is sign the honor code. Honor code, okay. And then confirm your agreement. You're going to click here and sign the honor code before you start the class. These are the 6 course outcomes. Identify fundamental properties of atoms and the like. So all of them are here. The syllabus is down here. I'm going to get into that in a minute. The textbook and things that you need for the course are OpenStax College Chemistry. This year is free of charge. Just click here and you get to the textbook. And then we have a few material here for the course as well. We're going to have a project for this course. You probably want to open this right away and check out what the project is about. If I go back here to the syllabus, I'm going to see the same things. So here the course will be from April 6th to May 10th. The homepage of the course is here. Inbox if you want to contact me. The 3 units course. The description of the course is here. Outcomes, as we said. Grading policies are here. If you are late between 0 and 0.99 days, get 10% off. And then we have a table that shows that here. So number of days late, the penalty. After 1 day to 2 days, 30%, 2 to 6, 50%. You may not submit anything after 6 days. It's going to be too late and you're going to get 0 for that assignment. Letter grades are here. Grade, letter grade, and corresponding percentage. The textbook, we talked about it, is here. Communication, had to get in contact with me. Students are expected to receive a response to email within 24 hours. So again, if you do not get a response, please be sure to double check with me. Discussion expectations. The first batch of discussion is due on Thursday, 3 a.m. Eastern Time, which is midnight Pacific Time, where I am. Learning accommodation, if you need them, be sure to check with ADA services. So guideline here, copyright information, and what you need for the course. Week 1, cover week 1 here. In week 1, we're going to talk scientific method, significant digit, and all of these here. Chapter 2. So here for week 1 then, we need an introduction by Thursday of week 1. We need, by Thursday of week 1, we also need assignment, I'm not dense. We also need then the project by that time. The following Monday at 3 a.m., we're going to need the discussion, the second batch of the discussion. Again, you have to submit then the first initial posting by Thursday and then the final response by the following weekend, that weekend. So all of that is here, and I'll have a reminder that will come to you for each one of these here. Again, be sure to sign the safety contract before you start the course. So I'm going to go back out from here. So we say the textbook is here. The syllabus is what we went over. These are things that you're going to need for lab this term. Be sure to get all of these before the lab starts. You can get them easily in a regular store. You can get them easily and be able to perform your lab when you need it. Okay, the course project is here. So if I went quickly through each one of these weeks, module one, as we said, module one, introduction, learning material is here. You're going to read about the course project overview here, what we have as assignment this week. Always going to have a quiz. Be sure to submit it on time. All of that will be showing to the right of your Canvas page here. Course project assignment, discussion here, and assignment I'm not done, and of course the quiz. That's for week one, which is a module one as well. So if I click next here, it's going to get me through each one of those sections in week one. Okay, we don't need to do that. Let me go to week two. Here we talk about chemical structure and periodicity. Again, here, learning material is always on top. The discussion here, first posting is due on Wednesday, midnight Pacific, 3 a.m. Eastern time. The discussion here, and then assignment here, and then again, the quiz there. Again, be sure to submit your work on time. If there's anything that you need clarification on, let me know. If I have the answer, I will make sure to answer right away. If not, I'll seek the answer from the administration, or I'll guide you into talking to somebody who will have the answer to your question. Other than that, I'm glad you're here. Hope to have a perfectly smooth term, and I'll see you around. You have a wonderful term. Thank you.